Hello, Nightlings. Today we're on Meiosis, and we're going to look at the different structures and the numbers associated with them during each division of the meiosis process. Before we start, we're going to do a quick recap. There are 4 points to consider here. One is that there are 2 divisions, and even though there are 2 divisions, there is only one interphase. The third point to remember is that the number of chromatids equal to the number of DNA molecules. The last point to consider is that the number of chromosomes equal to the number of centromeres. In our example, we're going to still use a human cell as our example. So we're going to go to division 1. But remember now, our parent cell will contain 46 chromatids, 46 chromosomes, and 46 centromeres. The interphase is standard regardless of the type of cell division. What happens in the interphase is that there is DNA replication, which means that the number of chromatids double because the number of DNA doubles. Now, so therefore we'll have 92 chromatids. Our chromosomes will still be 46, and our centromere will also be 46. In prophase 1, what is happening in prophase 1 is crossing over and synapsis. The numbers will not change. So therefore we have 92 chromatids, 46 chromosomes, 46 centromeres. In our metaphase 1, what is happening here is that the chromosomes, they align in the middle of a cell, but they do this in pairs. Our numbers are not changing at this point, however. In our anaphase, this anaphase is different from our regular mitosis. In anaphase here, the centromeres are not splitting or separating because the homologous chromosomes that were aligned in the middle in pairs, they will separate to opposite poles of the cells. So therefore we maintain our number of chromatids, our number of chromosomes, and our number of centromere. In the telophase, again, the only thing will happen here is that the nuclear membrane will reform while you have a cleavage for forming. So therefore a number of chromatids, chromosomes, and centromere remain the same. Now what will happen in our cytokinesis is that these numbers in the telophase will divide by 2. So therefore our 92 will divide into 46. Our 46 chromosomes will divide into 23. And therefore we will also result in 23 centromere. Now remember, because of this number of chromosome as a result of the splitting of these numbers from the telophase by cytokinesis, we get half the number of chromosomes in our resulting cells. Therefore, division 1 or meiosis 1 is considered to be division by reduction because the number of chromosomes reduced by half. Moving from division 1, we're going to move into division 2. Now remember the numbers from division 1, we have 46 chromatids, 23 chromosomes, and 23 centromeres. Division 2 is like mitosis, so therefore the chromosomes will align in the middle in single file. The numbers are not changing. So we'll have our 46 chromatids, 23 chromosomes, and 23 centromeres. In the anaphase, as in mitosis, we'll have our same number of chromatids. However, our chromosome number will double. Why? Because the centromeres will separate and producing equal number of chromosomes on either sides of the cell. So here we'll have 46 chromosomes and 46 centromeres. The telophase number remain the same as the anaphase. The only thing is happening in telophase is that the cleavage furrow will form, and also the nuclear membrane will form around each cluster of chromosome. The cytokinesis again is responsible to cut the number of structures in half that were present in the telophase. Therefore, we end up with 23 chromatids, 23 chromosomes and 23 centromeres. Notice at the end of division 2, we have half the number as the numbers that we start out in the parent cell. So as you look at these numbers on the overall chart, you'll realize that our end column, which is after the final cytokinesis, the number of chromosomes will be half that as the number in the parent cell. So therefore, we have 4 daughter cells with haploid number, which means half the number of chromosomes. All right, so this is where we're going to end, and this is possible. So keep safe, be blessed until we meet again.